Hi everyone, this is Angie Hunt with LDRS Creative, and I'm back in the studio with some HSN sneaks. We cannot wait to show you these. But first, I want you to get a pencil, paper, whatever it is you want so that you can jot this down. We're going to be on May 2nd. It's a 24-hour craft day on HSN. We could not be any more excited. We've got some really great things to show you. You're going to look for me. I'm going to be on, this is all Eastern time, so jot this down, during the 7 a.m. hour, during the 2 p.m. hour, and then again in the 4 p.m. hour. First thing I want to show you, we put this together exclusively for HSN, just for you guys. You're not going to be able to get this anyplace else. This is for all of you Winnie lovers. We have 6 different Winnie fairies. These are the most adorable fairies. We all love fairies and fairy tales. They're just so cute, just gorgeous. Stumbling over my own tongue. They're just gorgeous, and I think you're really going to love them. This one, look at her. She is planting those little wishes and dreams. Could she be more beautiful? Look at these little wings. I'll tell you, Nikki, when she draws these, she blows my mind every time. Look at that. I'm speechless. I'm absolutely speechless when I see these. I just love them. This one is called Fairy Wishes. Look at her. And look how she colored her up with that hair. It's almost kind of glowing. And you see those teeny tiny little wings. And down here, what she's carrying, look at that. I think they're fireflies. I'm not sure, but they're just the cutest little things. And this one, oh, look at her again. With the wings. She's got long hair, the bow, the little gift. Those look like little ballet shoes to me. They're just, I'll tell you, when she put these together, she absolutely blew my mind. Look at her. Her hair is just blowing. It looks like it's blowing in the wind. I think she's twirling. I think she's got those wings going and she's so excited. She is just twirling. I just love her. Look at that. I think this one's my favorite. Look at that. She's on the moon. I mean, seriously, she's on the moon. She's got stars all dangling here. Look at that. It's like a little bowl of stars, and all around the moon, stars and those wings and her long hair and her dress. Oh my gosh. Ah. Yeah, I don't sing much, so everybody just please forget I did that. Look at her. I think this is my second favorite one. I love that she's got the pink in her hair. I mean, you're going to be able to color these whatever color you want. You're going to be able to dial these up however you want. But look at her with pink hair. Oh my gosh, wishes and dreams. Wait until I show you some of what our designers did with these. Look at that. That is so bright. She's got the green hair. You know, I think it's very classic when people do blonde hair, black hair, brown hair, and so on and so forth. But with these fairies, they're magical. You can color these up in the brightest of colors. Use your imagination. Look at her with the purple hair. Oh my goodness, she's got that moon, and look at all the clouds and the stars that we added to this one. How beautiful. You're going to be able to make these at home. How exciting. This one is a shaker card. I'm going to tilt it just a little bit here so you can see things moving in it. I don't want to shake it too fast right there in the screen. But look at her spinning and twirling. Ah, love her. And this, look at, these are so much fun. I'll tell you, our designers are just amazing. Watch. Boing, yoing, 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 yoing. I just love it. They're so much fun. I've got 2 more to show you. She's in the clouds. You notice the clouds are underneath her? She's in the clouds. How cute. And last but not least, look at that glowing blue hair. Their little wishing well. Do you want to get in the running to win a full set of these? We're doing a giveaway. We always do a giveaway. We love doing it. We know how much fun it is for you guys as well. We're going to make it really easy for you. I'm going to put links below this, this video. All you're going to need to do is go out to our Instagram page. You're going to want to follow us there. Then you're going to go over to our Facebook group, and you're going to leave us a comment. You're going to see this video there. I'll have a link to it. And you're going to see the video there. You're going to put a comment below. Why don't you tell me which one of these is your favorite? And then I'm actually leaving for HSN on Sunday. So Saturday, this is only a couple of days away. So this is a really short contest. You're not going to have to wait too long to see if you win. On Saturday, I'm going to post the winner on our Facebook group. And hopefully it'll be you. And we're going to send a full set of these out as soon as I get back from HSN. Remember, the shows are going to be on May 2nd, 7 a.m., 2 p.m., and then 4 p.m. Eastern Time. I can't wait to see you there. I'm so excited. I just know you guys are going to love these Winnie Fairies. I can't wait to see you there. I hope you see me there. And that's all for now. Stay tuned. We're going to have some more sneak peeks coming your way.